Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Myself Parth Kumar Kamlesh Velakani. I'm doing Master of IT specialization in software engineering. Uh, Here is my student ID. So today I'm going to presenting the programming assignment part one of subject data structure and algorithms. Uh, Here we go. First, the assignment given us the three text file as an input. So by running this code, it automatically download on our Google Colapse file folder. So just hit the run button and yeah. So here we can see the all three files. Once done with the yeah. Here we can see the three input files. Now we're going ahead with the part one, task one, creating the world class. Here my implementation for the world class file. Class word. Firstly, I uh, declare the init method and save three attributes as a spelling, frequency, and neighbors. Spellings store the lowercase spelling. Self frequency is used for the increment the frequencies, and neighbors for the what's the saved words and what's the next one, like just like the neighbor. Now we going with the increment frequency. There are two main methods. The first one is the increment frequency. Here it's for the increment, like for as per name is for the increment the frequency plus equal to one. And another method is it method. Here one condition here, once if self dot frequency does not equal to the other frequency, if it is not matched, it returns the higher frequency comes first. And if the frequency and other frequency match, then it's going to the alphabetic order one by one. The last function is the htr function, which used for the print word and with the frequency. That's all about the word class. For the task two, constructing and the lexicon. Here there are three steps. For the first step, uh, I'm creating the lexicon dictionary with the lexicon equal to curly brackets. Then for the step two, uh, define the read data function. Like I declare the read data function with the try block. I writing all this method, all the process, what like reading, remove the words, add the words for all. And for the exception part, if it is file is not on the system, it's showing the file error. And the second exception is the uh, issue with the reading, if it is there is something issue with the file reading. So there are two total exception I'm printing here. For the try block, with open, I open the file. Then with the for loop, I uh, split the words with the line dot strip method and dot split. Then for the for another nested for loop, row word in the words with the help, I remove the punctuation and the digit with the clean word variable, stored all this data. And then I've read the condition here. If the clean word is like, if the clean word in lexicon, then store the clean word. Otherwise, it's directly got sorry. If it is not clean, so it's going to the increment the frequency, and if it is clean, then it's adding the word. That's all about the step two. For the step three, load data for all three files. Use the read data function here. Now going over with the task three, defining your sorting algorithms. First, use the bubble sort algorithm. Like bubble sort is like two items at a time and swap them if they are in a wrong order. It keep going to this over and over until everything is in the right order. So that's what the bubble sort we use for. Here is my implementation for the bubble sort. I use the n variable to store the lexicon list, lexicon library words from the list. And for the len, I count the words for loop using the for loop to trace the data. Then I use the logic here for the swapping the data with the bubble sort. And I'm going with the hybrid sort with the combination of the merge, insertion sort, and the hybrid merge sort. Here is for the insertion sort. We use the for loop and while loop for the insertion sort. For the merge sort, it's going to the left right. Here is the logic of the merge sort. Then the hybrid merge sort. I use the if and else for as a condition to get the hybrid which also left right and store into array. Now I just combine the both three of them with the hybrid sort like session, which method I will be used on the upcoming programs like on the next questions. Here is the function name hybrid sort lexicon and one condition here. Now going with the this is the what's the uh which which is very fast. Like I just simply I need to run every program first. So starting with the my bad. First I run the class file, successfully run, then I run the part step 2, which also successfully run. Now I'm going to part 3, bubble sort, it's done. Yep. Yeah. So if I hit the run button here, yeah, it's give me the output which is very fast and which is slow. As per the output, yeah, the bubble sort is taking more time compared to the hybrid sort. So here there is a formula of how I calculate the average bubble sort time. So the formula is the bubble sort time, bubble minus bubble copy time divided by n repeats. And for the hybrid sort counting, I use the same formula and then I print the both average. So as per the result, like I can see the average bubble sort time is higher than the average hybrid sort time. Now I'm going to the task 4, sorting your lexicon. Here is the solution. Uh, for the lexicon equal to like curly brackets for the rebuild lexicon from the correct file. Now I use the read data function for the getting the data from the lexicon, like from the every file into the lexicon. And now going with the convert to list, which store the lexicon data from the lexicon list. Now I check the data if it is on lexicon list, no words loaded. If it is not, then it show the print message here and rest of the else part. Here there is two choice here, one for the sorting bubble and two for the sorting with the hybrid sort. So as per the example runs, I'm going to run first the bubble sort. So I press 1 here. So it's give me the 10 words because I just give the length 10. So it's showing my result of the 10. And again, I run the hybrid sort, which give me the result of hybrid and show, sorry, hybrid sort here with the list of 10. Now I'm going with the task 5, populating the neighbors. Here is my solution for the add neighbors. Like I use the add neighbors method here. And then I use the compare, then I compare every word with the every other word, like with the for loop and if conditions. And the sort neighbors using the bubble sort. I use the sort bubble using the bubble sort, and then which help me to get the length from the range for loop and bubble sort list as a manually. Here and it's going to replace with the sorted list. Like here is the neighbors. So I just hit the run button here and yeah, it's successfully run. Our neighbor functions successfully. This functions for the add neighbors, and this is for the sorting neighbors. Now I'm going to save one output file on with this code for the last task. Here I define the write data function and convert to list. Then I use the bubble sort for the alphabetically by spelling. Here is for the writing the file with open, and it's storing the f dot write with the f dot write. It's storing the all words, frequencies, and these neighbors. Here I hit the write data function to generate the out.txt file. Now I'm going to run. Yep. So I just refresh the page. Yeah, here we get the out.txt file. We can see the uh, output here. There is number of list is more than 4,000. Yep, that's all about task 6. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.